In a major step towards strengthening cancer diagnosis and treatment, a modern magnetic resonance imaging MRI machine has been installed at a hospital in Thika. The move follows the growing need for advanced medical technology to enable faster and more accurate detection of various cancer types. The 72-channel 3T MRI scanner at MIC Imaging Center in Thika is one-of-a-kind machine that will bring the much-needed relief to patients in the central Kenya region who have long struggled with limited access to such services due to equipment shortages.
Nyeri, Murang'a and Kiambu counties, we do not have similar machines to help our patients who need MRI. They've been traveling all the way to Nairobi to get MRI. And as we know already, Nairobi is congested with people who need MRI services since they come from all over the country. So this center gives solution to people from central region.
MRI ni a bit expensive. So kuna wale ambao wataweza kuafford and then itakuwa ngumu kidogo kupata hizo diagnoses. So if the government can just chip in and help in funding with the share, either full or just a percentage, then that can help.
Different MRIs will cost different costs, but the minimum can be 16,000, 18,000, up to 32,000, depending on it is an MRI of which area. And majority of our patients in Kenya are not able to afford that. And the Chronic and Illness Fund at SHA, if well funded, there is no patient who cannot afford this because SHA will pay. So my appeal to the government is that they make sure that fund is active.
With the heavy rains expected to arrive soon, the county government of Kiambu has